I can smell the grape. There's like, gotta be grapeseed oil in here. Everything's so darn small. But anyways, this is a little guy that I got. Filled with heat. Trying to get the camera to focus, but it doesn't want to. And then the next is, I thought I was getting like a little miniature palette, but it says Daydream, the Daydream palette, full-size palette is $25. This rich pearl eyeshadow comes as part of a universally flattering palette. Tip: for an extra glow, sweep across the cheekbones as a highlighter and a blush. And the color I got is Fantasy. Now, everything I've found lately, it says it's made in the PCR. Not quite sure where that is. If somebody knows, please tell me. But it looks like the blush that I use that is called Misbehave. And wow, look what that stuff did to my hair. It's like, holy poofy. Okay. I just realized how big my hair was. So this I can use. Let's see if I can actually get into it. You know, tweezers are really good for a lot of things. Getting into packages is something I've found that they are really good at. It's got a little zipper thing on the back of it, but those things never work. Always end up breaking a finger just trying to get them open.